What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to remove door panel of Toyota RAV4, and that's the tool that I'm gonna use today. Phillips screwdriver and flathead screwdriver. So the first step is to remove those four covers. This, and that cover. That's the first step. We're gonna start from the mirror cover. Just gently pull. Only one clip. Then we're gonna remove that cover on the latch. There is little tears, so don't be afraid to break them. It's very easy to remove them. Another cover, because we have screws over there. And then window control panel. Start from the front, because you can break the teeth. Don't start from this side, start from the front. Okay. Disconnect your wires. It's very easy to disconnect them. Just push the pin and that's it. There is also only one pin in the front. There is, so start from the front. And now we need Phillips screwdriver. 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now, there is a clips around the panel, so use your flathead and try to pick. The easiest way is to start from the bottom. Okay, then that's it. Then just now you got it. Now lift the panel up. Okay. Be careful. You still have wires behind. Okay. Basically that's it, guys. That's how you remove your panel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and more video is coming. Thank you.